Hello there. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set any video as a live wallpaper on your Android phone. Not just as a live wallpaper, you can also enable its audio if you want. You can even set different live wallpapers on your home and lock screens easily. So without further ado, let's see how to do it. First, you need to install an app called Undead Wallpaper. It's open source and completely ad-free. You can download it for free from the Play Store. The link is given below. Once installed, launch it and tap the Pick Video option. It will ask for permission to access your videos. The best part is that you don't have to give access to all your video files. Instead, you can select only the ones you want to use as live wallpapers and keep the rest private. For best results, pick a video that looks well with no abrupt jump when it restarts. Ideally, choose a short video so battery usage remains low. And as I mentioned, you can also choose whether to loop it or not and enable the audio if you want. But keep in mind that it will be audible whenever you run the live wallpaper screen, whether it's your home screen or lock screen. Then, as you can see, you get a preview and the option to set it as a live wallpaper on your home screen, lock screen, or both depending on your Android device. You can also set different live wallpapers for home and lock screens if you want. It doesn't offer any unnecessary settings, and most importantly, it doesn't bug you with ads. Just pick a video that suits your phone's resolution and set it as your live wallpaper in a few clicks. And that's it. You now know how to turn any video on your Android device into a live wallpaper. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.